Have you ever wondered how millions of instant noodle packages are produced every day? From a simple block of noodles to a popular dish all over the world. Instant noodles are created with incredible speed and modern automation technology. Behind every pack of noodles is a factory that operates 24/7, creating thousands of servings of noodles in just minutes. In this video, we step inside the factory to explore the entire process. From kneading dough, forming noodles, steaming, frying, or drying, to seasoning and packaging. Get ready to witness high-speed machines and perfectly functioning production lines. This is how instant noodles are made. Instant noodles are consumed more than 100 billion packets each year worldwide. From Asia to Europe and America, this is a popular dish for millions of people. Why is instant noodles special? Because they are cheap, quick, easy to cook and keep for a long time. To do that, every step in the production process must be strictly controlled. Modern factories use fully automated systems, helps create thousands of noodle packages in just minutes with almost absolute uniformity. So, how can such a complex process happen so quickly and accurately? Let's start at the first step of the journey, mixing the dough. The process starts with flour, water, alkaline salt, and food additives. A high-powered mixer creates a uniform dough mass with tightly controlled humidity to keep the noodles flexible and unbroken. The dough is pressed into thin sheets many times to stabilize the gluten structure, then cut into even strands according to each brand's standards. The noodles are steamed first to set their shape and texture, ensuring that when fried or dried later, the noodles retain their elasticity. After steaming, the noodles are cut to standard length and shaped into square or round blocks, suitable for packaging and serving size. With fried noodles, the noodle block is immersed in oil at a controlled temperature to draw air into the capillaries of the noodles. When the user pours hot water, the noodles expand quickly and cook evenly. Next, the noodles are cooled to stabilize the structure, avoiding condensation of moisture in the packaging. Noodle blocks and seasoning packets are packed, sealed against moisture, and printed with production and expiry dates. Weight, air leakage, and barcodes are checked automatically. Random samples are tested for appearance, humidity, microbiology, and packaging durability. Finally, qualified products are boxed, palletized, and shipped. From raw flour to crispy golden blocks, this process combines speed, precision, and food safety. Next, let's take a look at the hot water recovery capability. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.